morning, students. As we have started the chapter 13, surface area and volume. We have done cuboid, cone and cylinder. Today we will do cone. Now cone, you all know, this type of figure is called cone. आप लोगों ने आइसक्रीम भी खाया होगा cone, like this. Here, join this with this. So O A B. So this is the radius, this is the height, and this is L. L is called slant height. L is your slant height. R is the radius, and H is the height of a cone. H is the height of the cone. Now we will find the curved surface of cone. Curved surface of cone it is equal to pi r l. Whole surface it is equal to pi r l plus r, and volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. And how to find L, slant height? This is 90 degree, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem in triangle AOB. Using Pythagoras theorem, that is h square equal to p square plus b square. By using this, we will find L. If L is not given, we will find L square equal to h square plus r square, or L equal to under root of h square plus r square. So these are the formulas. We will use this formula to find the, that is curved surface, whole surface and volume of the cone. Here pi r is given, L, how to find L? Slant height, you will use this formula, that is h square plus r square, under root h square plus r square. Now we will do the exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. See the first question. Question number 1. What is given here? Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter and slant height is given 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface. What is given here? Here given to you is diameter of cone. Diameter of cone. Diameter of cone is given here. How much? 10.5 centimeter. Diameter of the cone is given 10.5 centimeter. We know that radius equal to diameter divided by 2. So we will get here 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. So we have got the radius here, and then given slant height. Slant height is given. Slant height of the cone is given here 10 centimeter. It is given 10 centimeter. Now here, that is radius is given, r is given 10.5 by 2 centimeter. L is given 10 centimeter. Now what we have to find here? Find curved surface. We have to find here curved surface. Curved surface area of cone. We have to find. And we know that curved surface area of cone equal to pi r h. So curved surface area of cone equal to pi r l. Pi r l. Now what we will do? We will put the value here. So curved surface, it is equal to pi r l. We will put here value of pi is 22 by 7. R is given 10.5 divided by 2. L is given 10. L is given 10. Now we know that curved surface is pi r l. So we have put here decimal is given. So we will remove this point here. So it will be 10 here. This 10 cancel here. So we will get here 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into this. Now we will divide this, 2 divide this by 11, this we will divide here by 15. So 11 into 15, it is equal to 165 centimeter square. Therefore, curved surface area of cone equal to 165 centimeter square. So we have got this answer here. That is given here, and we have find the curved surface. We will do another question. You have to learn by heart the formulas also. Now what is given here? Next question. We will take question number 6. What is given? The slant height of the base of the cylinder of conic, that is cubical top, are given 25 centimeter. Slant height is given. Slant height. It is given 25 meter. And diameter is given. Diameter, it is given how much? 14 meters. Then given, find the cost of washing its curved surface at the rate of 210 per 100 meters square. Means we have to find the curved surface. What is given? Slant height L is given 25 meters. Diameter is given 14 meters. So radius equal to d by 2. So it is 14 by 2. It is equal to 7 meters. So therefore r equal to 7 meters. We have got. What we have to find? The curved surface. So curved surface area of cone equal to pi r L. So we will get here pi means 22 by 7. R is given 7 into L is 25. So this 7 cancel. It will be 22 into 25 and it is equal to 550 meter square. So what is the curved surface? Curved surface is 550 meter square. 550 meter square. Then what is given here? See, in this question again further is given here. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square. Means what is given here? Given cost of whitewashing of curved surface area for 100 meter square, it is equal to 210 rupees. What is given here? Cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing curved surface area 100 meter square का कितना रेट दिया? 210 रुपीज. मीन्स 100 मीटर स्क्वायर को अगर व्हाइट वॉश कर रहा है तो उसको कितने मिलेंगे? 210. तो अपना एरिया कितना है? 550 मीटर स्क्वायर. फिर ये 100 कितना दिया? 100 मीटर स्क्वायर. फिर अपन फाइंड करेंगे. देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ व्हाइट वॉशिंग ऑफ curved surface area of 1 meter square is equal to 200 divided by 100. यहाँ पे कॉस्ट ऑफ व्हाइट वॉशिंग कर्व सरफेस एरिया 100 मीटर स्क्वायर का दिया है 210 रुपीज. तो हम किसका निकालेंगे? कॉस्ट ऑफ व्हाइट वॉशिंग कर्व सरफेस एरिया 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का निकालेंगे. वो कितना है? 210 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. सो देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ whitewashing of curved surface area of 550 meter square equal to 210 into 550 divided by 100. पहले 100 मीटर स्क्वायर का दिया है 210 रुपीज. हमने उसको 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का निकाल लिया. That is 210 divided by 100. अब हमको टोटल एरिया अपन का कितना दिया? कर्व सरफेस 550 मीटर स्क्वायर. Therefore the cost of white washing of curved surface area of 550 मीटर स्क्वायर का कितना आ जाएगा? ये 0 और ये 0 से ये 0, तो ये हो जाएगा 21 इंटू 551 और ये आ जाएगा 1155 रुपीज। देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ 550 मीटर स्क्वायर it is equal to 1155 rupees। तो टोटल अपन का कितना लगेगा 1155 रुपीज लगेगा। कितने मीटर स्क्वायर का वाइट वॉश करने का, वो 550 मीटर स्क्वायर को वाइट वॉश करने का। तो सिंपल, अगर अपन ने फॉर्मूला बाय हार्ट कर लिया अच्छे से और अच्छे से यूज करेंगे तो अपन का क्वेश्चन आ जाए। तो आप लोग को ये क्वेश्चंस कॉपी में करने हैं और फॉर्मूले लर्न बाय हार्ट करने हैं। थैंक यू।